Bodum pour-over coffee maker grip in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 35,921 ratings and 4,309 reviews. 91% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said the Bodum double wall pour-over beats Chemex. Here is why. My wife and I have used almost every coffee and espresso making method under the sun, and Bodum's double wall pour-over is by far our favorite for regular coffee. Non-paper filters like a French press taste amazing but often leave a bit of grit in the cup. Chemex arguably tastes even better without the extra grit, but they are expensive, require special paper filters, and don't keep second and third cups of coffee warm for you. Enter Bodum's double wall pour-over. It costs about the same as a Chemex, but the double wall keeps your extra cups of coffee hot for much longer. I know what you are thinking. Doesn't it use a metal filter instead of the paper one? Ah, yes, but here is a secret. You can use a regular, conical paper filter, like Melita No. 4, which you can find inexpensively in almost any grocery store. Inside the metal filter, and coffee is identical to that made in a Chemex. Seriously, you cannot tell a difference. Plus, if you happen to run out of paper filters, you can always just use the metal filter by itself. Additional tips: if you are going to drink all the coffee immediately after it's made, you can get the single wall Bodums for $1.20-ish that taste the same. When you put your conical paper filter in the metal filter, rinse it out with water prior to putting coffee in it to wash out the slight paper taste and help the paper filter cling to the side of the metal filter. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Has a cheaper filter than the one shown in the photos. I bought this from Target about 1.5 years ago. Broke it recently. It had a very fine, sturdy gold filter. The one I received from Amazon has a cheap, mesh filter that's already a little bent out of shape. The ones in the Amazon photos appear to have the better filter, in silver rather than gold. Don't know why I got a junky one. That's it.